do you like to make exactly the same mini album as this one, which you can see the full walkthrough in another video, the walkthrough video. So, but if you like to make exactly the same mini album as this, then I'm going to show you what's in the kit. Okay. So first of all, the most important thing is this luxe paper block, and everything what's inside is on the back side to be seen. So there are 8 different design papers. There's 1 sticker sheet, there are 2 sheets with quotes, and there are 8 sheets with die cuts. And a real quick walkthrough. So all these you can easily punch out with your fingers or with everything that you want to need. And then you have this quote, it's kind of loose, and then a sticker sheet. I will put this back. Sticker sheet. Then you have this nice light yellow design paper, this very light pink with salmon pattern paper, these nice roses, and I like that this fades away. Then I love this one, this nice light yellow dot paper, and then this also fades away with some watercolor splashes. And then this is a nice very light gray with a white pattern, but I think it's not good to see on camera. Then you have this very solid but a little pattern paper, light blue. Then you have this very light hearts, and it also fades away, and the background is a little yellow orange. Love this one. It's a nice watercolor design with this bunny at the bottom. And then you come to all the pages with all the beautiful images that you can easily put out. You don't have to cut these out, you only have to punch these out with your fingers, and then you're ready to go. It's so easy. So you don't have to cut these out, you don't need a machine, you don't need a scissor, you easily can punch these out. And then again, a nice sheet with quotes. Okay, so that is this one. Let me put this back on a place where it belongs. Then I came across this block, and in here there are 60 pages, and there are white, and it's thick white and thinner white. So the thinner white I used for the journals, the notebooks inside, and the white I use for the base pages. Then we come to the brown, same here, thick brown craft paper and thinner craft paper. Very nice quality. And then we come to the black, and also thick pages and thinner pages, and I use the thicker one for the base pages, and it's super good quality. I use the back chipboard and the back chipboard of this one to create for the cover, so no extra chipboard is needed. Then I have a 6x6 block, which I use just a few extra pages, which some of them patterns I used, not much, but a few. And I must say, please take a note on this, I hadn't enough 6x6 blocks of this one. So if you receive your kit and you will not receive the same block as this one, but the other one that I'm going to show you in that other walkthrough what's in the kit video, then you will see that there are also lots and lots of patterns paper that will fit with these papers. And if that is not enough, I just only had a few 6x6. There are also a few, not much, but a few persons that will not receive one of these blocks or one of the other blocks, but I managed to search in my own stash some extra papers that you still can make your project, but there is no block in it. But you will receive the same amount of papers. Okay, so that's just a note. Then I have some vinyl white with some texture, which I used for the sides of the spine. Then I have some rhinestones in it. I believe in this one you all get a pink one, so nothing to be surprised on which color you will receive. Then I have this bag with loads of little flowers. Then I have a ribbon pack that fits with all these. I have of course the light blue lace and of course the button. Okay, so with all these you can make exactly the same project as this one. Nothing extra to attach. Nothing. No cardstock is extra needed. Nothing. Everything you will see here, you can make exactly the same album as I made. Okay, so nothing else you have to buy extra. Okay, so up to the next one. Thanks for watching. Oh, one last thing. I only have a few. So when I'm running out, I'm running out. So if you like this, please hurry up because I really don't have much. Okay, thank you so much.